Hi guys, today I'll be doing a video on how to make the magic picture switcher. As you can see here, I wrote the words blue, green, orange, and red, and if I pull on these flaps, it turns into the colors. As you can see, the words aren't on the back, and the words are actually inside here. To make this, you'll need 2 square pieces of paper, right here. So now you just want to put one of them aside. And the first thing you want to do is to fold this one in half. Okay, so now you want to take just one of these and fold it to the edge here. Do the same thing with the other side. Now you want to open these two up so that it looks like this. Now you want to fold it like this, but you want to only crease up to the line right here. Now you want to fold this side to the center fold, but again only crease it this side of the line. Do the same thing with this side. Now you want to either cut or rip along these lines. If you can't rip it like that, you can always use scissors. So now you want to open it back up and you should have 4 cuts like that. Now you can put this aside and you'll use the other paper. Now you want to just cut it straight in half. So what I do is I fold it in half and then cut along that line. Okay, so now you want to take this and fold it in half again. Okay, so now you want to cut along this crease here. Okay, so you want to take these two and then take back this. What you want to do is just put this one over and then under, and then over and then under, and just weave it through. Now do it the opposite way with the other paper. Now this is your magic picture switcher. You can open it like that, and then to close it you just pull it out again. To make it switch, you just want to take a pencil and to make it switch, you just need to draw something on this side and then draw something else on the other side. Now I just did the uppercase letters and lowercase letters, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's your finished picture switcher. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, you can subscribe and hit the notifications bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you can leave them in the comments down below. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!